Third is urgent tasks, but not important. Not important for you. They are important for the organization, but you as an entrepreneur, as a person, need not be involved in that. So it's urgent, but needs to be done urgently. So delegate them. These tasks are delegated, like accounting, social media management, internal content creation, photo shoots, etc. So, and then there is fourth segment of neither urgent nor important. You can avoid them during the day if you don't find time. If you find time, you can come back to them later. I mean, keep them at leisure, absolutely. Third point is time blocking. Allocate specific hours for different activities. Very customized process. First, you grade the 4 Eisenhower matrices in time blocks, broad time blocks. You know, just say 12 तक मैं I'll be doing this block, important and urgent. Then next block, इस तरीके से. So effectively we had 3 priority orders. 4th I'm discarding because urgent and not important wala we can discard. Okay? So we need time block for 3. Then in each priority time block allocate timelines for each task. So like in urgent and important time block of say 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. I allocate 9 to 9:30 a.m. for dispatches, 9:30 to 9:50 for responding to customers, etc. Then say in time block of 1 to 4 p.m. of important but not urgent, allocate 1 to 1:45 p.m. for assessing campaign schedules, 1:45 p.m. to 2:15 p.m. for inventory assessment, and so on and so forth. Then comes fourth point, that is 80-20 rule, very, very, very crucial. Focus on 20% of tasks that generate 80% of results. Now you have to analyze what those tasks are. Again, a very customized requirement depending on what results you aim for it. Fifth is automation and delegation. Use tools like Google Calendar. Team Google, please elaborate on this in your turn. Sixth, set boundaries. Learn to say no to distractions and time-consuming activities that don't add value to you, your business, your life, anything. Like watching useless reels, arguing unnecessarily over social media, etc. Conserve your mental peace and sanity. That's it from me. I hope you found the session useful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rakhi. That's like a lot of info. Thank you for enlightening us. It means a lot. Yeah, thank you. So now